Welcome back to a quick trading update. Right now I'm reviewing the intraday charts of Nifty 50 and Bank Nifty as well. So let's dive into those charts. So we clearly had a really bullish outlook on Nifty, wherein my long-term views are that Nifty would eventually head towards 26,500, 27,000, 27,500 as it goes higher. But right now we are currently looking at the intraday charts, and let's go on to the 30 minutes charts. So okay, so if we look at this 30 minutes chart, then I clearly had this view that this is an AB wave completed, and then we are starting a move on the higher side. And now we are currently at around 25,303-4 odd levels, and the previous swing high is around 25,310. So we haven't really got a close above that level. Even a 30-minute or a 15-minute close after this range consolidation would mean that Nifty is now heading higher towards 25,400. That's the least that I'm looking at. So if I look at this 15-minute chart, I could really see some sort of range consolidation going on over here, and Nifty getting resisted over 25,310 levels. A close above 25,310 right now would mean, or even a close above the day's high of 25,326 would mean that the trend is going to continue from here on as well. The hourly indicators have turned positive, 15 minutes, 30 minutes, all of the technical indicators that you know have turned positive, and the last confirmation obviously would be the recent swing high that comes around 25,330. Not a big level, just the difference is just of 30 points. So I think we would eventually go higher towards 25,330. So a closing on Nifty above 25,350 would mean that our view is technically correct and market is supporting our view. That is the hypothesis that I'm currently looking at. And for targets, you really know how I calculate targets. Just add it up to the lows, and the target that I'm currently getting just on a 3, 4, 5 day basis would be 25,700. That doesn't really mean that I'm going to close my positions the moment we hit 25,700, or even the moment we hit the previous resistance of the resistance is around 25,450. So I'm not going to do that. I'm going to just hold my trade. I'm going to go with the flow, and let's see where really Nifty takes us, towards 26,000 or 26,500 or 27. As far as Nifty Bank is concerned, Nifty Bank also has the same kind of setup where I would like to label this as let's label this in a perfect format. Okay, so yeah, so I could pretty much label this as an ABC wave, and if that is the case, the target that I am getting right now would be somewhere around 58 maybe. Okay, so that's roughly 58,500. That's roughly what, 1,700, 1,800 points from here on as well. And first the criteria would be a decent close. A decent close would mean that you close above the recent swing high, which is around 56,760, or if I take this swing high, then it is around 56,770. So we are currently trading, we did go above that level, but we didn't really close above that. On a 30-minute chart, did we close? No, not even on 30-minute charts have we closed above 56,770. But if I compare this to our Nifty setup, Nifty isn't really trading above this swing high or even this swing high, but Bank Nifty is. That really shows some sort of strength that we could see in banking stocks. And I'd really like to see if Bank Nifty holds these levels and starts to go higher from here. That would just open up the possibility of Bank Nifty going higher even more from these levels. I think that is my view on Nifty Bank Nifty. The current trading setup is poised for upside. If I were to talk about averages, then so the 20 moving average comes around 25,224. I don't really think we would go there, but if we go there, then that would mean that you are correcting this entire rally. If you were to go and touch these averages, even if it goes sideways, the moving average would just catch up to Nifty, and then maybe you take support over here or halt over here and then start the move on the upside. That is it for the video. Thank you guys.